welcome to Crypto Facts. We are going to talk about Cardano in this video, why it is improving in last few days. As you can read the news, Cardano eyes $2.50 USD as crypto exchanges begin smart contract integration. So smart contract integration, what is it? You know how most of the ERC20 coins are built on Ethereum blockchain? That's kind of smart contract. There are other coins are built on Binance Smart Chain as well. Few are built on Polygon network. So same like them, Cardano is implementing smart contract integration, which will help Cardano price will go up. Look, about 6 crypto exchanges begin smart contract integration upgrade. What that means? So they just have begun it. So once the step is complete, definitely you will see a spike in the crypto price. And look what else. Second news, Cardano primed for massive boost as crypto exchanges start integration smart contract upgrade. Basically same news. Exchanges actively working with Cardano Foundation to become Alonzo ready. Alonzo ready is smart contracts. So why it's pushing Cardano price up? Because it giving a competition to other smart chains, same like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. So you can have a guess what is the future for Cardano. Upgrade could help Cardano, so we have talked about it already, that once the upgrade has finished, it will not reach its full potential even the upgrade is finished, say about a month after from now. Once the coins, the new tokens are going to build on Cardano smart change, then the price you will see it will be skyrocketed, and it will of course take a couple of years once it settle down. Look at the chart. This is the cryptocurrency chart. So what is it? Market cap 2 trillion. So that means USD 2 trillion has been invested in the crypto market. A lot of money. Cardano by market capitalization is third largest cryptocurrency in the market. 76 billion has been invested in Cardano alone. When we click on it, we go in more details. Look, we go for about a month here, 1 month. Here about July 23rd. Price is what $1.17. Look, even we calculate here August 9, price is 143. And what is the date now? Look, August 20, $2.44, almost double. It's gonna go up. This is a safe bet. If someone wants to invest in a crypto market, Cardano is still a safe bet. You can buy it on a Binance exchange or Coinbase exchange, Wajir X exchange, wherever you like to buy them. So hopefully you will do good in crypto. See you next video. Bye.